everyone, this is Dave and welcome to our second lesson about using the iPhone. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the home screen, which is the portal to any and everything you want to do on this device. So get your iPhone ready and available because we're going to be using it, and let's begin. To begin, unlock your iPhone. We learned how to do that last lesson, so you can go back if you want to remember how to do it. Once the iPhone is open, take a look at the screen in front of you. Each home screen is personalized, so it means that each one is a bit different, but they are all built out of the same components. Let's take a look from top to bottom. On the very top of the screen, you can see a few icons. On the top left, you can see the time of day, and on the top right, you can see 3 different icons. The one on the far right represents the battery, and shows you how much battery you have left before your iPhone shuts down. A white-colored rectangle means a sufficient charge, and red means that you're using the last bits of energy of battery you have and should charge your iPhone as soon as possible. The other 2 icons are the Wi-Fi icon that looks like rounded lines stacked on each other, and the other one is the cellular connection icon. These are 4 bars in increasing height. They represent the iPhone's connectivity. The bars represent the quality of the connection to your provider's network, such as AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile. The white bars show the connection quality. The more you have, the better the reception you have. The better the reception you have, the better the quality of phone calls and internet connection. And no reception means no calls and no internet. The Wi-Fi symbol will stay on as long as your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. If your phone isn't connected to Wi-Fi, you will see something else instead, such as the writing 4G or network name. The next thing you can notice is that there are many squares lined down the center of the screen. These represent apps, which are phone programs, and we will dive into them later. Clicking on any of these icons will open the app. So that's how you reach most of the phone's features. You can also see that there are groups of apps organized in folders. You can open a folder by clicking on it and open apps from there. Some people group apps by use, by color, or by a style of their choice. Another thing you can notice is that you can have multiple home pages and that you can swipe between them. Swipe a bit left and right. As you scroll, you might encounter 2 screens that are different from the rest. And feel free to ignore these, as we won't be discussing them. You may also have noticed one thing that stays constant throughout the different home screens. Did you notice the bar at the bottom of your screen? This bar holds apps you want easy access to, so you don't need to search for them. This can be a phone app, a messaging app, or even a folder. It's totally up to you. Great. So now we can understand the layout of the home screen. Now, let's learn how to move the app icons around and customize your home screen. The first thing you'll need to do is press one of the icons for a few seconds. Once you do that, you can select the Edit Home Screen option. And now, you can drag the apps around and place them wherever you want. If you want to create a folder, just drag an app onto a different app or onto a folder. They will group together. You can also do this to take an app out of a folder or to remove apps from the gray bar. Once you're done, simply tap the screen and the iPhone will return to normal. Try this now. Move some apps around and maybe try and group some apps together. Did you get it? Let us know in the comments. So now we went over the home screen. We looked at the time, connectivity and battery icons. We learned about app icons, the gray bar, and how to move apps around. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Great job. In our next lesson, we're going to learn about apps, what they can do for you, and how you download them. See you soon.